Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a VIVO X200 FE and let me share with you how to check the IMEI number of this device. So let's begin with the fastest way. We have to open the dialer, tap on the keypad and enter the code, which is *##06#. And as you can see, by this code we're provided with both IMEI numbers of this device. So let's tap on OK, and another way through the settings. So let's open them. Here in this general list, right here, we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. Then let's scroll down and go to the status. And right here we've got both IMEI numbers for both SIM slots. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.